Hey guys, today I'm going to review the MTR 3-minute breakfast vegetable upma version. I'm going to try this, see if it works, if it tastes like upma and all that. First, let me read through whatever is in the packet. They tell that it comes with real vegetables, and here you have the directions for how to use it. They tell that empty entire pack into a bowl and add about 100 ml of hot boiling water. Mix well, cover, rest it for 3 minutes and mix well, enjoy. So this is what they tell, and here you have all the ingredients. So here are the ingredients of this packet. And this is the nutritional information. So I'm going to empty the contents. This is perfect for a person. So I'm heating about 100 ml of water. The water has to come to a really good boil because they mentioned hot boiling water. So adding boiling water. This is about exact 100 ml. So I'm going to mix this. I'm going to close it, and exactly after 3 minutes I'm going to check. Okay, so it's 3 minutes is done. Okay, well, I put exactly 100 ml of water. Okay, I fluffed it. This is how it looks. Now let's taste it. I would say it's like 50-60% tastes like upma. The only thing I would say is the fruits. The vegetables. The dehydrated vegetables, I don't like it. I like fresh vegetables. So guys, my take on this is it definitely tastes like upma. It is on the drier side, so you have to add a little bit of oil or ghee. Other than that, I think I like it. It's nice for a 3-minute one. It is nice. So yeah guys, hope you guys found this review useful, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care everyone.